I made it to Quebec City, just took the bus from the airport to my loft right in the center of town and checking it out, unpacking. I'm here in Quebec City for a conference. This is a place that I found on booking.com using a lot of the strategies that I teach in my Smart Stayfinder course. For example, I knew that our conference was going to be in this area, and so I was aiming to stay between there and the old city, which is kind of the nicer part of town, and I mapped out the distance, so I knew it would be not a bad walk. Then once I was looking in here, I did some different filters to make sure that the places had ratings I was comfortable with and pricing that I could afford. And I'm pretty happy with the place that I picked out to stay. It's just a studio, but it's perfect for one person, and I'm really glad that I read the reviews because I knew that there would be an iron, a hair dryer, some things I didn't need to bring, but also some things that I did need to bring, such as my clothesline, which I have hanging in the kitchen. I had to bring hangers because I knew from past reviews that there weren't going to be any hangers, even though there is a closet. I also read that there's a lot of light that comes in through the windows since the shades are kind of transparent, and so I brought an eye mask for sleeping, and I'm really glad that I did that. So I did rely heavily on the reviews to kind of prepare myself and make sure that it was a place that would work for me. I also booked it way in advance since there was free cancellation up to a certain point, and then I basically just watched and came back and searched a few times, and it turned out that this place was still the best option for that price. So I kept the reservation, but if I had found something better or maybe a sale had happened, then I could have switched. So that's a little peek into booking accommodations from my side of things. And if you want to dive in deeper and learn all the strategies and hacks that I use on sites like booking.com to find the best deals and quickly narrow down what's going to work for me, then definitely check out the Smart Stayfinder course. It's also available inside the toolkit for our members. Speaking of our members, they make all of our resources possible, so shout out to Jamie DeBrunner, Gary Chesnudis, Diana Kersey, Jennifer Still, Mary Schweikel, Dale Gunther, Jason Kincaid, Susan Lee, Nancy Cure, Deborah Seidel, Sam Devereaux, Debbie Rock, Shannon Whitman, Don Gallifant, Linda Allegria, Matthew Chang, Mindy Manson, Robin Roth, Ryan Seeliger, Lori Sprinkle, Lawrence Crompton, Patrick Oldmixon, John Granger, Jolene Chang, Kenneth Navrin, and Jackie Grant.